Hi guys, my name is Jesse. Welcome to another Fast Journey. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano itago ang iyong YouTube sub. First, go to your Google Chrome. Second, type in studio.youtube.com. studio.youtube.com. Then click enter. Then after that, pinito yung channel na gusto nyo palitan. Itago. Palitan. Ang bilis ito eh. Loading pa. Then go to the Creator Studio Classic. Punto nyo yan. Then go to your channel. Then go to your advanced. Then go to this subscriber count. Display kung gusto nyo gusto nyo ipakita sa kanila yung subscriber nyo, or do not display kung ayaw nyo ipakita at naiiwan sa yung subscriber nyo. That's guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Huwag na kayo subscribe sa aking video and sa aking channel, and of course huwag nyo kalimutan i-share itong video nito sa mga friends nyo. There is 1 minute, pero napaka-useful ng 1 minute, diba? That's why thank you so much and bye.